Can't back out now, dude.
I can't do this with you watching.
Dude.
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 Okay, so how'd it go?
Yeah, come on, bud.
Went well? So you two, like, together?
Yeah, I guess so.
Do you have a date? Where?
No,
Where do you have a date? Where do you have a date? Where do you have a date?
It's just at my house. Do you want to watch a horror movie?
No, they scare me.
Okay. You know, I can play piano.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, my father used to play music, and we had this piano upstairs. He didn't play, so I asked if I could. Well, to the end of high school.
Yeah, to it. You were the best of times and the worst of times.
So did you decide where you're going to go to school?
I think so. I didn't know because you...
I don't want to influence your decision. Go where you see yourself, not where you see us. Now, go on, tell me.
I'm going to Ohio State.
Hey, that's great. You like the tour then?
It's a really pretty campus, and it has a really great program and scholarships. You can't forget about that.
Oh yeah, can't forget about that.
Something's bothering you.
Well, we always avoided talking about it, but I guess we have to. What are we gonna do?
Well, it's only a few hours away from IU, so I figured we can make it work.
But we will want to see other people at some point. We're each other's first significant others.
I get that, but at least for the first year, I want to be with you. It's going to be hard to adjust to being on my own at college. It'd be nice to be there.
I get that, but it's not like you're going to be alone. You'll have a roommate and you'll make friends. And isn't V going to Ohio State as well?
No, she didn't get a merit scholarship.
Oh.
So you don't want to stay together.
Well, don't say it like that, but...
That's what it is.
No, I don't want to. Just think of it like a break, I guess.
Oh my god.
Well, what do you want from me? It's not like I want to cut it off, but I don't see how it could work.
It could.
Why do you care so much? You'll be in college and you'll want your high school boyfriend?
Well, I happen to view you as more than that. Wish you thought the same.
Are y'all ready to order?
Yes.
No.
Byars, you moron. We could have gotten into an accident. Why'd you do that? Get off!